Hey guys, GSIP Studios here, and welcome to my very first tech tips and tricks video. So for this video, you started off wanting to pull up iTunes and, back up your iPhone or iPad device, or any Apple device for that matter, to your computer because your storage was full on your phone, or whatever reason you may need to use iTunes for. You open it on up, and you get some kind of message saying you need to update iTunes, or something rather like that. So whenever you try to remove, update, or maybe even install iTunes, or reinstall it, you can see right here that you will have this warning. The feature you are trying to use on a network resource is unavailable, and it says the install location. So basically what this means is where you first downloaded iTunes, specifically talking about iTunes here. This could happen with other programs as well, but with iTunes you would download the program and the exe that would be used to install that program. If you deleted that after you were done with it, and it's not there anymore, then you're basically screwed, because this causes an issue that if you were to install a new version or reinstall Windows, it still needs to match the same version for you to be able to uninstall this. So you're stuck in a loop. So you cannot remove it because of this, and you cannot install a new version because you need to find the exact same version and put it back there. But even if you do that, which I've tried myself, it somehow, for some reason, did not work. So then you end up looking through different results on Google, and you end up to this form. Now this form is taken down. That's why it's on Wayback Machine, but you guys will be able to visit this link. I'll have it linked in the description below, so you guys can take a look at this page here, which is the old version of this page, of which you can find exactly what you can try and what you can do to maybe resolve the issue. If none of this works for you, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. So what we're going to be doing today, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix this issue completely, specifically with iTunes. It's the sort of same idea with other programs, but with iTunes is what we're here for. So first thing you want to do is press the Windows key and R on your keyboard, and then this little prompt window should come up here, and what you're going to do is go ahead and type in regedit, or registry edit is what it stands for, because we're going to be accessing the registry of your computer, which is the deep bare bones of your computer. You don't really want to touch the deep parts of your computer, which is what the registry is, but we're going to go into this because we have to, in order to eliminate certain parts of it in order to resolve this issue from happening. So why this issue is popping up is because obviously iTunes does not recognize, or Windows is being told that we do not recognize where iTunes installer is. So what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate that whole code part, or that whole registry part in the registry where that code is being executed to look for that stupid exe, so we can reinstall iTunes. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in regedit, regedit, press OK, and it's going to ask you with an administrator prompt, would you like to access the registry editor? Click on yes. You'll need administrative permissions for this type of thing. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the directory computer/hkey_classes_root/installer/products/. So you can just simply type it in at the top bar here to make it a lot easier. Now you can see right here, we're going to go into products, and if you go ahead and just select products, you'll be able to press the Control+F key. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to try and search for the word iTunes. As you can see, I already have it open here, but all these are a bunch of gibberish and we don't know what contains what. But what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and type in iTunes, press Find Next. It's going to search the registry. You should see this little key right here, and it came up and took you to the source list. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and confirm that we did find iTunes by checking the product name and see if it is named something around the lines of iTunes installer.msi64 or something like that. So what you're going to do is you'll confirm by going to the package name and double clicking that it tells you it should say iTunes .something64.exe MSI or something rather. Then once you've found the appropriate folder that contains the iTunes installer.64, what we're going to go ahead and do is go to the parent folder of that has all these gibberish and numbers and delete that. So now that we've deleted that, remove any old iTunes files of which you installed it to, so that would most likely be in your C drive. From there, you'd go to the Microsoft official store and install iTunes through that, or go to the iTunes other downloads page and download the most recent version. And from there, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, if you have any questions below, please do let me know. If this tutorial helped you, smash like, subscribe for more videos like this. And with that all said, see you in the next one. Stay safe, y'all. Follow my main channel at GSIP, and see you guys. Peace!